Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is AJ. Today I'm going to show you how to use NavMesh agent to make our player move to a point on click. So first of all, we need to select this terrain. We need to go to Windows, AI, Navigation, and add this Navigation tab. And on Navigation tab, after selecting terrain, we need to bake a terrain so that we get a movable surface. So I'm just going to click on bake. So after it is baked, we get a blue highlighted region here. For seeing this blue highlighted region, we need our gizmos to be checked. If we uncheck it, we will not be able to see this. So this is a movable surface which the player is going to be moving on. Then to control the movement, we need a NavMesh agent. So here I'm just going to add a NavMesh agent, and I'm going to check off this box collider for the cube, and I'm going to uncheck the use gravity so that it doesn't fall off. Now I'm going to add a new script. I'm going to add a click to move. Click to move. So here we need to add Unity Engine.ai so that we can use a NavMesh agent. And I'm just going to make a player move to the cube over here. So we're going to set the transform of the cube here. So serialize field transform. I'm going to name it as target. And all we need to do for now is get component NavMesh agent dot destination equal to target dot position. Now after adding the script, if we hit play, we will see that our player will move to the center of this cube here. We need to set our transform here. So I'm just going to leave the other movement script we already have on here because this has our camera and we don't want to lose it now. So now we hit play. We can see that our player is moving to the center of the cube and it stops at the center. So we are going to use this feature to move the player to a point where we are clicking on. So now let's visualize how we will be able to move to the point by raycasting. So in our script, I'm going to add a ray, call it ray, and if input dot get mouse button, so 0. This means we do a mouse click. We need to store our array. So store the position into array. So array equal to camera dot main dot screen point to array input dot mouse position. So we are going to store the mouse position onto array, and for now, for visualizing, we are just going to draw array so that we can see. So debug dot draw array, array dot position, array dot origin, comma array dot direction. So we have our origin and our direction. So for us to see the array, we are just going to multiply it by 100 in the direction. So it's a very long array. Now after it's loaded up and we hit play, and yeah, we can see that draw array is working. We can hit on different points and our array is getting casted. So now that we have our visualization working, let's get our player moving. So in Visual Studios, I'm just going to copy this and paste it outside here. Here I'm going to introduce a new method, call it move to point. So let's make our move to point. Inside move to point, we are gonna need a array. So array equal to, I'm just gonna copy this, paste it here. Now we don't need this, so let's just delete that. Then we're going to need a array casted. So casted hit, and I'm just going to use physics dot raycast array comma hit. So we'll need to add a out here. So we are passing in our array and a hit variable. So what we are basically doing is we'll get the mouse position from this onto our array. We'll pass it to our physics.raycast, and we'll pass a hit variable to our physics.raycast, and we'll store the position onto our hit variable. So let's say if we have a hit, so for that I'm just going to add a boolean variable, bool has it. So if hit has any information stored, this has it will be true, and so if has hit, we'll move to our point. That is basically just this move to our navigation, setting up our destination. So destination equal to hit dot point, and now we won't be needing any of these. So I'm just going to delete that, and we don't need this array variable as well. So now if we play in our Unity, and we hit any point, we can see that our player is moving towards that point. Let's just visualize it and maximize as well. So that's it. This is how we use our nav mesh agent and navigation to move our player around by clicking on points. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and good luck to you all. Peace.